What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday and it's the day before Thanksgiving. So we're doing a lot of stuff today to get ready for Thanksgiving. We have to run to Costco to get some food for Thanksgiving. We're not going to be getting everything there, but we're going to be getting a lot of stuff there. And we're going to do some things around the house because I'm on vacation this week and I want to get some things done. So come along with me and we'll take this little journey of what we got going on today, the day before Thanksgiving. Our first step, we're going to the cookbook library. So join me. It's Wednesday and it is the day before Thanksgiving. Okay, let's go downstairs. This house has very long stairs because the basement has a really high ceiling. Okay, so Eric has a cup of coffee for himself.
Hi.
Morning, Boo.
Hi, Boo.
Bought a new vacuum cleaner for down here. And we have our little box opener. So let's get busy a little bit down here. Oh, we did buy some replacement pegs because we were missing some for some of the shelves. So we got some at, did you get them at Lowe's, Eric?
Lowe's.
I'm going to get to, these were packed by the packer. So let's see what we got here. So Thanksgiving is upon us. And I'm going to tell you, we've been in here, what now? How long, Eric? We moved in officially on September.
It's almost 3 full months. It's
Yeah.
it's like 2.5 at least.
And we've got some things. Why is this doesn't want to? We have some things done and a lot of things not done.
I don't know. You can use a real knife. Captain Hook.
Yeah, this thing scares me. It's like a
Carpet knife.
carpet knife.
Yeah.
So we're working hard here. I have, what is this? The Great Chefs of New Orleans. A Martha Stewart Every Day. This is great fast food. Basic cooking. We got some good stuff in here. We got the Cook's Country Cookbook. The CIA's Cooking at Home. This is a classic, the Silver Spoon. So at this point, I'm not really, oh, that's not gonna fit there. At this point, I'm not really putting things like in any type of order. I'm just trying to get them on the shelf. That's basically it. I will be organizing them.
So you're a bonkers research librarian.
Yeah, I'm an out of control librarian. Because it's hard to really get them into order until they're all out of the boxes because I don't know what's going to be going where, what sections are going to be where, what things that are kind of a set go together. So that's what we have going on. So let me start loading these up.
I'm just a lackey.
Eric says I'm the chief honcho here. Ain't that right? So I love this book. Pastry. I love this book. This is great. What problem?
You see all these? The movers arbitrarily put those shelves in at that height. Just guessed. I said, looks good. But now I found these 4 extra ones, which means you can put an extra shelf per category here or put 2 extra ones per one of these. You say, oh, if you got short books, it's good for short books. The question is, we're not talking like novels and Harlequin romance books that are only like yay tall. We're talking cookbooks, meaty books.
The extra shelves put up top, and then as I get things done, I can see where I want a shelf in for small stuff.
So in other words, you're going to wait until you start to get some of these things out of the boxes to see where they might fit.
Yeah.
All right.
Look at that, guys. Yeah, that's the rest of the basement. This is what happens when you move.
No, that sounds when you move and you're Amy.
So my library is pretty amazing because I happen to have worked somewhere. I worked at a university and they were closing a library and they gave away everything. So I got a lot of things that, I got a lot of great things. Right here is the Modernist Cuisine. I am missing volume 4. So if anybody ever comes up with a volume 4, they see it. I don't know why it would be separated, but if you ever did, let me know.
This is more my speed right here.
Yeah, there's for Eric.
I don't need to know the why or how.
You know what's funny about this book? People laugh about this book, but actually there's some heavy hitters that were writing for Cooking for Dummies. So don't pass this book up just because it's branded with this franchise. So don't necessarily knock these. Like you might say, oh, I'm not buying Cooking for Dummies. But if you look and see who actually wrote the book, this has a foreword by Wolfgang Puck. So some of these are pretty heavy-hitting books if you really look into it.
I'm not promoting all these or anything, but they do have some cheap mainstream cookbooks.
Yeah. So over here we have the Complete Entertaining Cookbook from William Sonoma. We have the Flavor Bible. That is a book that every library should have. Here's Tarte Tatin. That's a bread book. Unbelievable bread store they have. I believe it's in San Francisco. Down here I have Cookwise, Cakeology. I have Escoffier's Cookbook. It's a Peter Reinhardt's book, Everyday Bread. Okay, I did get some stuff done. Not a lot, but I got a lot on this shelf. I still got a lot of books left, but we're making progress. If I do some every day here, I should have this done in the next couple days. So what do you think of that, Eric?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just playing with these shelves over here because they're just so much fun trying to make them level.
Okay, well, let's go to Costco. Yeah, their seasonal in this store is kind of whack.
Yeah.
They don't have very much.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way.
So we took a detour into Michael's, if you didn't know where we were. I forgot to mention that. But we're headed into Costco now. Look at that. They have an all-clad 13-piece set for $3.99. And it's got that pan. I've never seen that one before. Oh, there.
No.
They got Succulent,
Kirkland
Kirkland,
Copper? No.
Oxo, Tramontina. Oh, look at this one. It's a brazier. $39. Boo.
No.
Come on.
Ankles.
Henkel's, Tramontina. They got a lot. Rock.
Somebody just returned one of these.
They're $4 off. Look at the poinsettias. They're huge.
Yep.
Lots of pies. Time for the bakery. I want to get some bagels. So we made the decision we're going to do chicken instead of turkey, because neither of us want to eat turkey. So let's get some chicken. This is farmer focused, organic chicken. The pumpkin pies are here in the refrigerator. The basket's filling up.